Okay, so today's video is how to polish your exhaust tip. So I've just picked this F56 JCW up and you can see it's got nice shiny tips, or should have nice shiny tips, but they're quite matted and need a good polish. So what I'll do first of all, just give them a quick spray over, just clean them off. I have actually jet washed them before, but just so you can see, just give them a good clean. Right, so just give them a good clean over to get any dirt and grime off them to the starting point, so that they're in a good place to actually get them polished up. Okay, so next we're going to use this new product to me, which is the Meguiars NXT, so next generation all metal polish. So we're actually going to apply that to the metal. And what this does, it actually adds a layer of anti-corrosion protection as well. So not only are you cleaning it, but you're also protecting at the same time. So if we get a good amount on your cloth, and then just start rubbing it in, circular motions into the metalwork, and what I'm hoping that should do is actually polish it up, take off any of that surface corrosion we could see before. We've already cleared the dirt, so it's just the corrosion now we should be polishing off. So let's just work that in, just in circles. If we get a clean side of the cloth, give that a good polish now, and that should pick up on camera already that that's super shiny already. So that's worked really well at getting that sort of layer of corrosion off. So we just get some more of the product and wipe it all the way around. And we're making sure we go all the way to the back of the tips because they're quite big tips on the Mini. Let's go all the way to the back and rub that round. Get a bit more if you need it. And remember, circular motions when you're actually doing your polishing. So again, get the clean side of the cloth, polish it off. And that has come up already super shiny and like new. So let's bring the camera in, so you can see the comparison. Okay, so if we bring the camera in and see the comparison of the two, so this is the one we haven't cleaned yet. So you can see the shiny starting to show at the front, but there's still like a lot of corrosion at the back. Whereas this one already is showing the benefit of shining. So there's still a bit of corrosion here, some little black tar spots maybe. So we'll try polishing those off. If not, we'll get some tar remover on here as well and just see how well that comes up. Okay, so next we're going to try and do this inside lip now. So it'll be the exact same process of getting your cloth, applying the product, work it in there so we can get this inside lip as shiny as we can. And even if nothing else, even if we can't get that inner lip, because obviously that gets a lot of soot from the exhaust, is this very front lip. If you keep polishing round, you'll get that nice and shiny eventually as well. Takes a little bit of elbow grease, but you will eventually get that to shine. Okay, so we get that cleaned up. And now we've got a nice shiny exhaust tip. So just like new. So we're going to do exactly the same process on this one to get this one shiny and new. And if you see all this in here, this is really thick and caked on the sort of 3 years of the car being used. You can actually restore that back to a shine as well. You'd need to use some sort of power tool. So we'll do another video on that, on how to clean this inner layer up. But you can see that already, the polished tips are coming up better. So let's work on this second one. So again, apply the product to your cloth. So circular motions, just like you polish a car, and work that metal polish in. And if you need more, just get more, and just keep going. It takes a bit of elbow grease and a bit of time, especially when you're not using any sort of rotary tool or anything like that to do the polishing. So that's another option you could do. To use this product is actually apply it to a Dremel polishing tool or a drill bit that's a polishing tool, and I use this exact same metal polish on that. Let's do that edge, then get our clean cloth and literally polish it. Get any of the polishing compound off that you can, and that should leave you with a nice polished finish. And again, remember, this Meguiars product has got an anti-corrosive protection as well, so it gives you a high shine and it protects it at the same time, which is great news. So if we go for a close-up now, you should be able to see the reflection in those exhaust tips, so that's looking a lot better. So we've missed a bit. Go back in, give it a polish, and away you go. You've now got shiny exhaust tips. So again, hopefully you found that video useful. Remember to hit the subscribe button below, and if you found it useful, hit the like button. That's really helpful to us as well. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.